State ASIGI YELHOU HEI-RA AMADI Manamba Sing ASIGI NINGTHINA branding Touduna Mapal Da Thadokpa Ngamnaba Hotnaba Mathou Tai HAINA Central Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr. ANUPAM MISHRA PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ASI College of Food Technology Kau Lamphel Pat Sinduna Ngasidagi Hoduna Domini Chupna Chathakadaba Workshop Cum Exhibition of Innovation and Entrepreneurs in Food Processing Hudopagi Thorum the Mahakna Phondokibane Nascent Technology Day Mari Laidana, Lamphel Pata Leba Director of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University Ge Pilot Plan of Kofti the Pangthokpa Thoram Aduka Mari Laidana, Kaugi Vice Chancellor, Dr. Anupam Mishrana Hai. Ngasi Pangthok Liba Thoram Ase Nascent Technology Day Mari Laidana Pangthokpane. Manipur Ase HEI-RA AMADI Manamba Singi Potential Yamna Labor State Ne. State Asida Fangliba Chakhau, Umorok, Kihom Amade, Kachai Lemon Ase Atopa State Na. Yamna Pamday. State Asida Fangliba Pothoxing Ase NINGTHINA branding Touduna Mapal Thadokpa Hotnaba Mathou Tai. Ngasi Pangthok Liba Exhibition Amadi Workshop Ase Maru Oina Lamdam Asida Fangliba HEI-RA Amade Manam Masingi Pothok Ase Ro Natraga Process Tauraba Form Miyam Utpane. Pangthok Liba Thauram Asina Lamdam Masigi Entrepreneur Sing Maru Oina Haurak Liba Entrepreneur Sing Da Achoba Platform Amapide. University Asida North East Region Ge Bioeconomy Ase Hena Chokhanaba Honri HAINA Bhangna Makataki.
Whatever stand we are having in Manipur in the form of fruits, spice, vegetables and rice, we want to all showcasing our strength in the raw form and as well as in processed form. And one of the most important, we are providing the platform for all agri entrepreneurs so that they can learn from each other also. What is the difficulty they are facing in marketing or packaging or in pricing, and what type of support they are getting from the government, state or central government. That way we are encouraging our young entrepreneurs in the form of startup, farmer producer company, farmer producer organization, and with the help of our state government, we are integrating programs and scheme of central and state both. So that is our strength of Northeast. We are enhancing our bioeconomy in the region. There is a lot of potential for our black rice, for our pineapple, king chili, our kachai lemon. So many strengths we are having, but still we have to capitalize all those things. We need some branding part so that we can export also, and we are also getting help from our horticulture department. They are also encouraging, they are also deeply involved in promoting young agripreneur. That is our main motto.
From schools to startups, igniting young mind to innovate. Haibathin the Pangthokiba Thauram Aduka Mari Lainana, College of Food Technology, Kau Infal Gidin Professor, Ngasepam Ibu Yaiman Hai. Food processing industry ase Manipur Yamna Maru Oiba industry Amane. Food processing industry that Changliba Mataxing ase, Lamdam Asida Fangba Potok Sing na Ayamba Oiba Amade, marketing the Su Hena Kudung Chaba Ama Fangba Oibana food processing industry ase, state Asida Tungkoina Hingan Yaba industry oi. Industry ase Mapung Fan Hingan Bagi Pandamda, Nasigi Tauram Asi Pangtopane. Industry asege Manung Channel Ladiba Singna Amatoina, Amaga Mating Pangaduna Honarabadi, Chocolate Pangam Kani Haina, Bangna Makataki.
Food processing industry se akoina masi yamna maru oiba akoigi hariba Manipur sida ko sustainable industry oigada se food industry neba ate industry is ayamana for example heirloom hare ko heirloom masidi hariba langsi mapandagi depend tobuneba artisan craft hairaga so yam hairaga so asida koigi mapangi mi tourist laktabanina ko adugumba leitabani yamna marketing problem lakpa adu hariba food sidadi sadaba yadabanina ekoi lejeriba raw material mayam se leire aduna sida koi expertise food processing koi gi food technology ge satra expertise mayam se draka lakpaneba madu yeng matam sida ekoina koi gi college of food technology haiba ko CEU gi makha da koi college tara humdu gi manungda ekoi gi ama sina machine lead oraga Manipur lamenda leirise sina lead oraga na koi Manipur sida karamba food processing gi line da Education Institute lege yang watam da koina khongol laga maru oina khoi gi ngasai gi DM college leiba vocational course Manipur University leiba adagi SK college koi gun college GP college adagi Waikom the Birahari college so many moi mayam sing ngasai gi Dil Dayal this one adugi koi APC APO mayam si loina puttal mari le na ngakta ne ba masi mayam si gi koina platform ama katang sem je na khambada masi da koina lead toraga koi gi MOMA koi gi Department of Horticulture soil conservation sina moina nungsi bine sponsor tawbiraga hariba program se ekhoina sembane ba
Ngasigi thauram aduda Kawi Vice Chancellor Dr. ANUPAM MISHRA, Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited ki Managing Director Thangjam Joy Kumar, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki Director Dr. K. Devadatta, Kawi Director of Instruction Dr. Indira Sarangthem, Kawi Director of Research Dr. L.M. Karnayak, Kawi Director of Extension Education Dr. P.S. Ranjit Amade, College of Food Technology Kawi Din Professor N.G. Iboyay Manam Mathangchila Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Oina Saruyakhe. Ngasigi exhibition aduda lengaki department Food Technology College Food Entrepreneur Farmer Producer Organization FPO amadi Farmer Producer Company singi tongan be stall kuntraga humdoi hangduna makoina putholiba pothok sing amadi service sing yam ukhe